I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Fiesta. We have no keys. We're going to be programming a remote-headed key here. The remote portion of the key is done on board. What you got to do is you got to stick the key in and turn from on to off 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get a chime. I just heard it. Pull the key out, press unlock. You get a response chime. Turn the key on and off. To close the cycle. Our remote works. You can see that the dash is responding. Now, we're going to program the key portion. Insert the key. Go to Ford. Fiesta. 12. Turn the key on. The security light's flashing because it's not programmed yet. Enter. We're going to check the key count. 2 keys. Program a key. Remove key. Insert. On. Okay. 1 key. The car's in diagnostic mode. You can see up here. Key programming is complete. We'll hit OK. We will check our key count. Should have 3. Perfect. Take your key, turn it off. Wait just a few seconds. Keys in the ignition, turn it on. Your security light should go out. And it does. Cranks up, and we are complete.